Okay, I'm going to garnish or fill the little tartlet made with pâte à foncé. Hein? Okay, as a rule, as I told you before, pâte à foncé are a pastry which goes well with fruit which are raw. You cook the pastry and the fruit together. Hein? Okay. I put some little almond cream in all of those on that tray here. And here I'm going to do apple. I've got compote, puree of apple, the one we did. And I've got some rhubarb. And I've got some compote, rhubarb compote. It's just a matter of chopping rhubarb like that. For 1 kilo of rhubarb, 200 grams of sugar. Cook it till it's thickened. They have rhubarb render a lot of water, a lot of juice, and you have to reduce it slowly, till you get that paste like that. And it's not very sweet. It has a bite, nice little bite. It's nice. I'll start with the apricot.